I'm Father Arnold Abelardo, isang Claretian missionary, chaplain sa Philippine Orthopedic Center, Bulaluhan ng Bayan, kung saan ako po ay involved sa pastoral care of the sick, sa mga bali, mga pilay, mga handicap, at sa mga people who are broken. Para sa akin, what is my impression or experience of this second National Convention of Priests? Very meaningful, very fruitful po sa akin because of, priests, bishops, missionaries coming together. Sama-sama po kami ditong nagdarasal, sama-sama kami ditong nakikinig, nag-share sa pagkain, sa buhay-buhay namin, sa ministry, ano yung maganda, ano yung hindi maganda. It is also a week of affirmation, a week of supporting one another. Na kami mga pare, kailangan pala namin ng panalangin lalo na, kailangan naming maghingi ng tawad sa isa't isa, which happened yesterday. Kailangan pala namin ng suporta at afirmasyon ng isa't isa mula sa obispo, mula sa pare, mula sa pinakabatang pare hanggang sa matandang pare. So this Congress, for me, is a celebration of our vocation. It's a celebration of our mission. It's a celebration of our priesthood that we have been called. Sabi nga ng team ay faithfulness of Christ and faithfulness of the priest. So I am very thankful to God that I had this opportunity to be part of this historic event, this historic day or week where 5,500 or more priests gathered together in one place to pray, to celebrate our identity, to celebrate our unity with the church and with Christ. So sa inyo po, ng mga nakikinig, mga laity, fellow missionaries and priests, let us continue in our mission, which is the mission of love. The mission of hope. Doon po sa aking ministry. Pagkatapos nito, I will bring back as a chaplain doon sa orthopedic center, mga handicap, mga bali, mga may cancer of the bone. I will bring the message of hope, the message of solidarity, the message of listening, and the message, higit sa lahat, the message of love. Sabi nga ng isang awit, di ba? I love you, you love me, Jesus loves everybody. So kaya yun po ang lagi sana nating isabuhay. Let us live the spirit of love, the spirit of hope, the spirit of mercy and forgiveness of God. So maraming pong salamat. God bless. Mabuhay ang lahat ng mga pare at mabuhay ang buong simbahan at ang bayan ng Diyos. God bless.